Hey, this is Taralyn Farrell. I'm with Coldwell Banker Advantage, and I am just about to pick up Jason Harris with Guaranteed Rate. He's going to go for a little ride, and we're going to talk about the lending process and what's going on in the mortgage business right now. Hey, Jason.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
What's going on?
Nothing.
Got
What's
you
up
some.
with you?
This is my favorite wine.
Oh, thank you.
Atlas Peak.
Oh my gosh.
And Cantado.
Awesome. Well, thank you. What's up for?
And then here is
oh wow, all sorts of gifts. This is like Christmas.
Little North Face
What?
pullover.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So you want to tell me about how the mortgage business is right now?
Oh yeah, that's it. Crazy.
Crazy.
I'm going to see a house. I need a pre-approval letter right now. Oh, never mind. It's under contract.
How many times does that happen to you?
Oh God, I had
Every day?
3 buyers make an offer on the same house Saturday.
And
3.
they were all your buyers?
3.
Oh,
And ain't damn one of them get it.
None of them did?
And of course I can't say anything to him about the other person's offer.
Right, right.
The 2 I knew weren't going to get it. One went in strong. He still didn't get it.
Oh no.
It's freaking
it's crazy.
stupid. It's stupid.
It is. People are paying like 25 grand over.
Right.
List. 50 grand over list.
Oh yeah. I had these people, I mean, they were moving here from DC or something, starting new jobs, middle of COVID, and it's just like, y'all, they could terminate your offer and you just put 30 grand in due diligence down and you're paying 20 grand over the house. Like, you could lose. It's I mean, how is that even?
Huge risks. Huge.
It is.
Without knowing anything about the house.
Well, the good news is the maximum loan limits have went up. You know, for Wake County now you can get an FHA loan up to $371,000. Durham County's up to $430,000.
Okay.
So that's really helping folks, you know, with marginal to fair credit. Some lenders, the requirements are more lender specific, right? We're still Guaranteed Rate being the 5th largest lender in the country. We're all about helping the people, right? So we're still going down to 580.
Oh, okay. You'll accept a score of 580.
Yes, ma'am. We most definitely will. We really never tightened up during the heat of COVID either. You know, we're all about helping the people. The approval systems are a little bit tighter, right? They're running a little bit stricter as far as the FHA loan approvals, but as long as it runs an approval, we'll do it down to a 580.
Oh, okay. All right. Good to know.
Yeah.
And why can't buyers go out after they're under contract, buy a boat or a house or well, not a house, but a car?
Well, because we're running in the background something's called an undisclosed debt monitoring, right? So if you go out and you go buy the big new Tahoe or whatnot, we're going to know about it, and it's going to be counted in your debt to income ratio. So we always tell folks, any large purchases, wait till after closing. Wait a day. You know, that new couch, we're going to furnish that new big house. Let's wait a day. Don't go to rooms to go and run up 20 grand because we're going to see it. We're going to see that new credit card. You can make purchases on existing credit cards, and that really doesn't matter. Just no new debt.
No new debt. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What about like if they want a refrigerator and they open a credit card at Lowe's or Home Depot?
They can do that, and that's customary. But just tell us.
Okay.
You know what I mean? What the problem people run into is they don't disclose it, and then it's caught 3 days before closing.
Okay.
So if you're going to go to Lowe's, Home Depot, buy the fridge, just tell us. I get texts all the time. Hey, we really want to do this. I'm like, fine, go ahead. Just tell me.
Right.
If we know about it, we can 9 times out of 10 work around it. Just tell us.
And just telling you right up front. And
exactly. We can work around. Full disclosure, especially for things like foreclosures in the past, bankruptcies. With all the technology, it's all going to come out. You'd be amazed what what will be found out in the underwriting process.
Or if they have property with family.
Probably,
Siblings own property.
Exactly.
They don't think to talk about it.
Yep. If you're on title, they're going to run a back check through the whole nation, and they're going to know if you're on Daddy's condo in Florida. They're going to know about it, and they're going to have to disclose that debt and hold those debts against that house against you.
Okay.
So yeah. But
again,
normally that's not going to blow you up.
Right. Are there more checks with COVID right now, like employment checks right before?
Oh God,
closing?
yes, yeah. They want everything short of a negative COVID test before you go to the closing table. So they want updated pay stubs, right, up until closing. You're gonna have to sign something called a COVID attestation, saying that you have not been negatively financially impacted.
Okay.
due to COVID. The big thing, what we're seeing now, and this is a huge problem, I got one going right now, is forbearance, right? They're handing out forbearance like candy on Halloween. And it's, oh, get you 3 months off, no payment, all this and that. Okay, but when you do that, you are telling a creditor that you're having a hardship due to COVID, right? And then you're at the same time asking me to loan you a bunch of money. That's a problem. So what we've been seeing, and we're warning people about this, is, oh, well, I'm gonna go buy a new house before I sell my existing, right? Can't go contingent in this market, you know.
Right.
And then, well, hey, I'm gonna be sly, and I'm gonna do a forbearance, that way I don't have to make 2 payments while I'm moving in my new house, get my new one ready to sell.
Yikes.
It's gonna trigger, right? And the and the mortgage companies, the servicers, are so behind on reporting it. 19% of mortgages are either in default or forbearance right now.
Oh, really?
Right? Yeah, so that's why they've tightened up a little bit on guidelines. But so we don't find out about it, and you could even have went into forbearance in August, and boom, now it'll just report on to the credit bureaus, and that's going to trigger in the undisclosed debt monitoring, or the soft pull credit report that lenders are going to do. So do not do forbearance. We can work around it on a conventional loan. Okay, like if you go into forbearance, like I had a guy just do it on 2 properties.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, delayed his closing a week. But we guarantee rate.
And he tried to buy a 3rd property?
He was trying to buy another investment property. So we guarantee rate, we're going to be as lenient as Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the conservatorship powers that be, will let us. All we say is bring it current, get out of the forbearance. Show us a letter, you're current, out of forbearance. A lot of lenders won't do it. They're saying you got to be out for a year, or you got at least have shown you made 3 payments since forbearance. It will blow a deal up. I've had to rescue 2 deals just because of that. So no forbearance. FHA says, if you do forbearance, you cannot do another FHA loan for 12 months. So that's the part, because people, they're handing these forbearances out like candy, and people are not informed or not explained to what the ramifications of the said forbearance are. Yeah, so watch, that's the major one right now. Good old forbearance.
Good to know. All right. What about jumbo loans? Did you stop giving or lending jumbo loans?
No, we're lending.
COVID?
You know, we're the largest non-bank jumbo lender in the country. And we are fantastic at jumbo, and we're still doing them. Some of the things that did go away are the higher loan to value jumbos, right? So we were going up to 95% loan to value on jumbo, no mortgage insurance. That's gone. We still got 90%.
So they have to put 10% down.
10% down. Yeah, so that's going to be your rule of thumb with the jumbo. You need 10% down. And we work it 1 of 2 ways. We can go to the 10% on the jumbo, or just do 80% on the jumbo and do like a piggyback second mortgage. Yep, so jumbo is alive and well. They're wanting to see reserves, right? They want to see reserves, you know, for the jumbos. But yeah, we're rolling strong with those. Interesting times.
Yeah, for sure. Is this it?
The normal now, right? Hopefully it isn't the new. No, it's down here. Hopefully it isn't the new normal. God help us all. Hopefully it's just the normal for now.